KTN News, and you can also find me at Doris Anki. Now, Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua was back in court seeking to stop the Senate from debating his ouster motion from beginning Wednesday. Gachagua sought conservatory orders from High Court Judge Chacha Mwita until, of course, a panel of judges is constituted by Chief Justice Martha Koome to hear and determine all the petitions against his impeachment. Grace Nganga looks through what has been filed and explains why Tuesday will be a consequential day for the embattled Deputy President.
With only a day to go, it's a nail-biting moment for Rigathi Gachagua. The High Court will Tuesday afternoon determine whether it will suspend the impeachment trial set to begin at the Senate or not.
That's of the members of the
This is after Deputy President moved to court seeking to block senators from proceeding with hearing his impeachment motion after Parliament unanimously voted in favor of his removal from office. In his argument, Gachagua wants the process halted until 5 of the more than 20 petitions challenging his ouster are heard and determined. At least a 3-judge bench that has now been appointed by Chief Justice Martha Koome.
We plead that you grant us a stay of that resolution, a stay of the impeachment in the Senate, to accord time to this court to hear these very weighty constitutional issues, preserve the substrata of the petitioner's case.
The 3-judge bench is composed of Justices Eric Ogola, Anthony Mirima, and Frida Mugambi. In the fight for his political life, Gachagua is banking on what he sees as shoddy public participation exercise by the National Assembly to help him secure his current office for another 3 years.
Out of over 50 million Kenyans who have attained the age of 18, because of the shortness of the notice, only 224, 907, were able to participate. The public is denied the evaluation by the National Assembly of the data that was collected. The National Assembly had no constitutional authority to limit themselves to only 12 days. That resulted in inadequate public participation on such a weighty matter.
He claims that the rushed nature of the impeachment process suggests an intention to circumvent judicial oversight, allowing the proceedings to unfold without proper constitutional scrutiny.
We are at crossroads. We either go back to the imperial presidency, where the constitution is replaced by the wishes of whoever is the president, or we go back onto the rails where we are a nation governed by the constitution and the rule of law.
However, the respondents argue that Judge Chacha Mwita should not issue the orders as the matter is still pending in Senate, and that Gachagua has another opportunity to overturn the resolutions from the National Assembly. They further accused Gachagua of forum shopping, claiming he is moving from court to court with the same suit, arguing he paints a picture of a guilty man.
There is no corresponding duty in the Constitution that when public participation takes place, then all citizens or a certain category of citizens of Kenyans must participate.
Justice Chacha Mwita will tomorrow afternoon issue orders either prohibiting the Senate proceedings or allowing the impeachment to be concluded before the courts can step